Today's topic is wastewater treatment. In this category, screening, grit and skimming. In wastewater treatment or sewage treatment, here is a 4 stages. Treatment process of sewage can be classified as first preliminary treatment, second a primary treatment, third secondary treatment, and fourth is complete final treatment or tertiary treatment. Here we will discuss in this lecture preliminary treatment. In preliminary treatment, there are 3 distinct operations. First is screening. In screening, removing of floating papers, rocks, etc. Second is grit chamber or detritus tank for removing grit and sand and inorganic matters. Third is skimming tank for oil and grease removal. Now we will discuss, start from screening. First operation in water and wastewater is screening. Screening used for removal of floating material like cloths, paper, wood, etc. If it is not removed, this will choke the pipes and offset pumps. So screening or screens should be placed before grit chamber. First, wastewater enter from screening. Now types of screens. There are 3 types of screens. First is coarse screen or racks. Spacing in coarse screen, there are some iron bars and spacing between the bars is about 50 mm or more for stopping the bigger floating material. They will collect about 6 liters of solids per million liter of sewage. Material separated will not putrefy. Putrefy is the technical term in related to connection to anaerobic digestion of sludge. This is the matter for discussion. Material separated will not putrefy or decompose and may be disposed of by incineration or burial or dumping. Second is medium screens. In medium screens, spacing between bars is 6 to 40 mm. In coarse screen, spacing is 50 mm. In medium screen, spacing 6 to 40 mm. Medium screen collect about 30 to 90 liter of material per million liter of sewage. And materials may be putrefy or decompose, anaerobically decompose, and be disposed of by incineration or burial in ground or earth. They are made up of steel bars placed parallel to cathar and generally kept inclined, not vertical, inclined at about 30 to 60 degree to flow direction and to increase opening area and to reduce flow velocity. So this is the advantage for inclined bars of screen, increase opening area and reduce flow velocity. And the screens are either fixed or movable. Third type of screen is fine screens. Here is no bars, separate iron bars. Fine screens in the form of sieves. Perforation in sheet, perforated sheet. Fine screens means perforated sheets. Perforation of 1.5 mm to 3 mm. They get clogged very often and need frequent cleaning. Fine screens reduces load on other treatment units. And not more than half the screen clogging is allowed. After that, cleaning is a requirement. Velocity through screen should be 0.8 to 1 meter per second is equal to capital B. Head loss through screens HL is equal to 0.0729 into V square, capital V square minus small v square. Small v is equal to approach velocity in meter per second. This is the screens. Now commutators or shredders. Function of commutators, they break the large sewage solids to about 6 mm in size, and they are installed before fine screens. After the medium screen and before fine screen, they are installed. Second unit in preliminary treatment of wastewater is grit chamber. Grit chambers are provided to remove inorganic solids such as sand, gravel, silt, etc. from the wastewater. They are like sedimentation tanks. To separate intended heavier inorganic material. In grit chamber, inorganic particles of size greater than or equal to 0.2 mm is allowed to settle. Like sand particle size 0.2 mm or more is allowed to settle in grit chamber. Due to its own gravity, grit chambers are designed to remove all particles of higher specific gravity of 2.65 with a normal diameter of 0.2 mm. So, which type of particles remove in grit chamber? Particle size 0.2 mm, dia particle 0.2 mm, specific gravity 2.65. They are removed in grit chamber and having settling velocity of about 21 millimeter per second at 10 degrees centigrade temperature. Grit channels can be divided in two types. First is horizontal flow type or non-aerated. It is designed to give a horizontal straight line flow velocity, which is kept constant over varying discharge by velocity control devices. Here is a horizontal straight line flow velocity and velocity control by controlling devices. First is horizontal flow type and second is aerated type. Aerated type means where is a oxygen is there. Second aerated type of grit channel, it consists of a spiral flow aeration tank, and spiral velocity is controlled by dimension of channel. Now velocity control devices are proportional weir or sutro weir. Weir actually in weir is a type of dam or wall. So at lower end of, so weir is situated at lower end of rectangular tank. Second, partial flume. This is a parabolic channel section, and detention time of grit chamber is 40 to 60 seconds for the water rest in grit chamber is 40 to 60 seconds. Water depth is 1 to 1.8 meter, or depth of grit chamber is 1 to 1.8 meter. Flow velocity in grit chamber is 0.25 to 0.3 meter per second. Now, third unit in the operation of preliminary treatment of wastewater is skimming tank. Skimming tank is not present in water treatment, but skimming tank is present in wastewater treatment. It is employed for removing oil and grease from sewage and placed before sedimentation tank. If oil and greasy matter is not removed, they may form odorous scum on surface of settling tank or sedimentation tank, or may interfere with activated sludge treatment process, further treatment, activated sludge treatment process, and growth on trickling filter and choke the filter voids. In a skimming tank, compressed air is blown from bottom by an aerating devices. The rising air tends to coagulate and solidify the grease, and it cause it to rise to the surface, from where it can be skimmed off. It consists of a long truck-shaped structure divided into 2 or 3 lateral compartments by means of vertical baffles or valves. Collected greasy material, either by hand or any equipment, is then disposed by burying or burning or buried. Burning in incinerator or buried in earth. Detention period of skimming tank is 3.5 minutes. Compressed air requirement for grease 300 to 6,000 cubic meter per million liter of sewage. Surface area required A is equal to 0.00622 Q into VR. Q is equal to rate of flow in cubic meter per day, and VR is equal to minimum rising velocity of greasy material in meter per minute, or 0.25 meter per minute, most of them cases. Addition of chlorine gas in skimming tank. Chlorine gas add can increase efficiency of skimming tank by 3 to 4 times, and dose of chlorine add 2 milligram per liter. Chlorine destroy the function of chlorine is chlorine destroy the protective colloidal effect of protein which holds grease in emulsified form. So chlorine is break the emulsification. Vacuators. Grease can be removed by vacuum filtration method by subjecting aerated sewage to a vacuum pressure of about 0 to 25 centimeter of mercury at for 10 to 15 minutes in a vacuator. This causes air bubbles to expand and move upward, which lift the grease and lighter waste to surface. Skimming can be disposed by burying or buried. It may sometimes converted into soap, lubricant, candle, or maybe digested in digester. This is the preliminary treatment of wastewater. Thank you.